This is your Mastering Astronomy site, and I'd like to take some time to show you around and so you can navigate it easily. This is where you're going to go to complete your online homework. If you purchased a new book, you should have an access code that will allow you to get onto this website. But don't worry, if you don't have a new book, you can still purchase access to Mastering Astronomy. I'm going to log in so we can look at our class site. This is our website for our summer online class. Some of the things that I show you today might look a little bit different from what you see when you log in, since I'm the instructor and you're the student, but I think it's enough that you'll get the idea. If you go into assignments in this tab right here, you'll see the assignments for the whole semester. Actually, some of them won't appear until a few days or a week before they're due. So if you log in shortly and you notice that you don't see all these assignments, don't worry about it. The ones that you need to do should be visible. If they're not, just let me know. The first assignment, let's just look at this, is called Introduction to Mastering Astronomy, and I can go into a student view. To do a question, you just click on it, and then to continue, you can just hit next after you've completed the question. You should get some results and let you know how you're doing. This first assignment I think is pretty important because it's just getting you used to how Mastering Astronomy works. You're not going to get any credit for it, but I'd suggest that you try it anyway just so you feel comfortable with the website. If you ever have any problems with Mastering Astronomy that are more technical, such as you can't get onto the website or you seem to be having trouble with your browser, please contact help that you see right up here. If it has something to do with the site specifically, I won't be able to help you, and it actually will work out much more easily for you to contact them directly so that they can see what you're doing and what might be going wrong. Another thing that I'd like you to notice is there is an e-text available, and I'm pretty sure that if you want to save some money, you can just purchase the e-text and the access to Mastering Astronomy without getting a hard copy of the book. Over here you see the study area. I've actually suggested some different things having to do with this area that you might want to look at if you're having trouble with some of the material. Basically, the two things that I've suggested that are in your syllabus are the self-guided tutorials, which we see here, and you can just click on one of these. For instance, if in the first week of school you're a little bit confused about phases of the moon, you might want to go through this tutorial, which will take you step by step and help you understand how the phases of the moon work. There are also interactive figures and photos. Notice that I clicked here, and then you see all the figures and photos that are available for the entire text. Different ones that I think might be helpful to you, I've listed in the syllabus. Well, you also should be able to see your grades in the grade book. You see right here that some of you have already registered. Don't worry, when you log in, you won't be able to see, you'll only be able to see your grades, and no one else will be able to see your grades. The only person that can see everything will be me. So I hope this helps you get a little bit more familiar with Mastering Astronomy. If you have any questions about using the site, please don't hesitate to contact me. Notice up here we see the name of the course and the course ID, which are also listed in the syllabus. These are things that will help you get enrolled in the correct course. All right, if you have any questions, just let me know.